So to fix this problem, what you have to do first is to just tap on your power button for some while. Now tap on restart. Then after that, tap on OK. And it depends on the device you're using. Maybe if you want to restart or reboot your device, you have to wipe your phone screen. And when you wipe it, it's going to restart or reboot. So after restarting and rebooting your device and it's still not working, this is what you have to do. When you turn it on, go to your phone menu like this. Then after that, try to search for the name of the app, which is HMRC. So when you find the app, what you have to do is to just use your finger to tap on the app for some while, and you're going to see this pop up over here. Then you tap on the app info. So when you tap on the app info, you're going to be over here in the app info of the app, which is HMRC. So what you have to do first is to tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. After that, go back, then tap on the force stop. Tap on OK. After that, what you have to do next is to tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache, go back and tap on notifications. Then after doing this, what you have to do is to turn on the show notification when it is off. So you just have to turn it on. After doing this, what you have to do lastly is to go to your Google Play Store, then tap on this update button over here. So after updating your HMRC app, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, and tap on OK, or wipe your phone screen to restart your device. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video is being helpful. If you found this video being helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and also sharing this video with your friends. See you in my next video.